In engineering management, decision making is a skill that cannot be learned only from the books. It must be developed through real situations, analyzing risks, solving problems, and making choices under pressure. One method that trains future managers is called management games, a simulation where a team faces realistic business challenges and makes strategic decisions. In this video, we simulate a construction project crisis where a team must manage time pressure, cost control, resource issues, and quality risks. This is the Construction Crisis Challenge.
The team is building a two-story commercial structure. They are halfway through the project when multiple issues begin to threaten progress. Every decision they make will affect the project time, cost, quality, and safety.
We have a major problem.
What?
Our foreign rebars are held at customs, so delivery will be delayed by 7 days. If we stop reinforcement works, our whole schedule slips. We need to act. Do you have any suggestions?
I can't think of any right now.
I think I have a suggestion. First is buy a local steel immediately, but price it 15% higher. And for second, wait 7 days for imported steel and stay on budget. What do you guys think?
But I think if we wait, the delay will not just be for 7 days because I think delayed slab means delayed beams and masonry. This becomes at least 12 days of total delay.
Is local still qualified? If doesn't pass testing, we might face some issues, right?
Yeah.
I checked. Local suppliers can provide PS certified steel, and I think quality is acceptable. But
But penalty in contract is 50K per day delay. So 7 days is equals to 350,000 penalty. That's equal to 15% extra cost if you buy local. What do you think?
Wait, so time is more critical than cost here, right?
Yeah.
We can't afford chain reactions of delays.
As long as material pass, I support that.
Okay.
Okay, we buy local because we protect the schedule and ensure quality through testing. I'll notify them right away. Okay?
Okay.
The team weighed time against cost and made a strategic call. Progress was prioritized, but backed by quality assurance and data-driven reasoning. Even when materials arrive, people make the project move. But what happens when skilled labor walks away? The next challenge puts the team's resource management to the test.
Our subcontractor just lost 10 skilled steel workers to another company offering higher pay. So productivity will drop by 30% to nothing.
But we must keep production speed. We can't afford more delays.
I have an idea. First is increase pay to retain workers. Second, hire replacement, but 1 week delay to train. And third, borrow manpower from another project site.
But some things need to be considered.
If we bring new workers, the mistake risk is high. Delays us even more.
Increasing salary affects the budget and sets a bad precedent.
Well, delays cost money too. Lost time, lost profit. What do
Yeah.
you think?
Better to invest in people who already know our standards.
Let's go with first option. Retain skilled workers with performance bonus. With that, cost is controlled and schedules stays on track.
Under labor pressure, the team chose to invest in experience over shortcuts, proving that retaining people often saves both time and quality in the long run. As the deadline approaches, the toughest test begins, balancing speed with integrity. The client demands completion, but the engineers know rushing has its risks.
We are 5 days behind the schedule. The clients want us to speed up and deliver on time.
Well, let's accelerate with overtime night shifts to recover the lost time. What do you think?
But overtime costs will shoot up. Labor plus equipment plus power.
If we rush without control, quality will drop and we risk some structural issue. That's unacceptable.
Then we double the supervision. Speed and quality, that's possible.
Only if we implement strict inspection every workplace.
What do you think?
Okay. To accelerate with strict quality and safety control. We catch up time without sacrificing standards.
With teamwork and firm leadership, the team found balance, delivering results without compromising safety or standards.
This management game revealed how engineers make real decisions under pressure. The team faced every challenge by analyzing time, cost, quality, and safety, which are the core of engineering project management. Decision making is not about choosing what is easy, but choosing what is right. Let us remember that project may be built by hands, but true success is built by decision.